Hi everyone, my name's Steve Gray and I'm a UK Business Development Manager in our Infrastructure as a Service team. And today I'm going to be talking about Solution Workspace, what it is and how it can help grow your business. Now let's start with what Solution Workspace is. The Solution Workspace was designed to streamline your progress from an initial idea to a successful solution in market. It was designed originally for ISVs, but has now been developed to help people in the service industry as well. Now, actionable steps and high-value resources direct from Microsoft. You can tap into the right life cycle journey, no matter what solution you're designing. Now, it's not a one-size-fits-all approach, so your guidance shouldn't be either. And Microsoft like to promote this as a partner development manager, a virtual partner development manager. So what can it actually be used to help you for? So, as you can see from the screen, you get access to some self-service on-demand resources and support from Microsoft professionals utilising the benefits that you get as part of your Microsoft partnership. It's cross-cloud, so you get access to solutions from Microsoft 365, Azure, or through Dynamics 365, as well as other Microsoft technologies. As mentioned, it was designed for ISVs, but there's a lot of tools and resources available for services businesses, such as MSPs and SIs. It's free to everyone, there's no cost, so it's open to everyone that's got a Microsoft Partner ID. And checklists, once you build this solution, will be organised in 3 stages, into build, go to market and sell stages. Now I'm just going to give a quick demo of what it looks like directly on the web page. Now, the first thing we're going to do is navigate to partner.microsoft.com and sign in. And as you can see at the top, Solutions is already a drop-down box. Now, there are some predefined templates for some solution areas in a more wider scope of solutions. So, for instance, in this example, if you were looking at developing a Microsoft Teams practice, you could click on the drop-down area, select Modern Workplace, and then select Microsoft Teams, which is already a pre-built solution area. We can click into there, and as you can see, it's got a predefined plan of the growth or development of this area and developing a practice in Microsoft Teams in this instance. What this does to begin with is highlights the opportunity of creating that Teams practice. We'll develop some training and then some marketing information on where you will go next. However, if you want to create your bespoke own solution, you can go to partner.microsoft.com/solutions/my-solutions. And if you sign in, it gives you the opportunity to create your own solution area. Now, this isn't just for partners that are creating brand new solutions. It could be something they've started and they want to develop further and a little bit deeper. What we're going to do now is create one just to show you how easy this is. So what we've got to do is define the name of your solution. So in this example, what we're going to do is create an Azure solution around server migration. So what you can do is give yourself a name. As you can see, I've already done this before to make it a little bit quicker. Then you have to define what type of solution you're building. Is it an application or is it a service? In this example, we're going to use a service. Then you've got to give an estimate of when your solution will be in market. So in this example, we're going to say we've done nothing like this before. We don't know anything about it. So we'll give ourselves 6 months to try and create this solution and take it to market. We have to give it a description. And we don't have to make this really long-winded. Server migration. This is the defining piece. So we've got to tick the areas that we want our solution area to be. So this is the bit that we put in ourselves. So as we mentioned, we were looking at Azure perspective. We were looking at doing server migration, and you can double check to see if there's anything else around there. Because I'm quite new to it, I'll go to enable Azure. Maybe have a look at Windows Virtual Desktop, but I would keep your solutions separate where possible because there's a lot of information in here. So we're happy with this piece. We go to products, and it's going to be in the migration area of Azure, and we submit and create that solution. It should only take a few seconds to create that. And as you can see, you end up on this page here. Now, a quick overview of the top. Tasks will be all of the elements in that stage, as we mentioned: build, go to market and sell. At the top would be all the solution details if you do want to edit them. So you can see all of the areas that you've just filled in. If you do want to share this solution with any other areas of your business while they're developing on it, or to define or put which person does which area or which task, you can invite contacts directly into here. So in this task, as you can see in the build area, it identifies the opportunity. You can develop your business plan. And as you can see, it links you in with all of the resources and tools that are on the partner site, all in one place, allowing you to use this as almost a defined business plan for this one solution. As you can see, there's a plethora of information around defining your offer, pricing it, what the solution would be, what the architecture would be, how to publish your solutions. You can tick these areas once complete, and then once you feel that build is complete, you can then click on to go to market and move on to that section. This then ties you in with other Microsoft related people or tools, and at the right time to help taking this solution then to market. Once again, clicking on each of these areas will take you to all of the resources and tools that will help you grow this area. Once you've done this, into the sell area to get sales training, referral engines, and taking that all the way through to completion, and that your solution is then at market. Once you've done, you could then create another solution, or you could be working on multiple solutions at the same time. I hope that demo has been useful. If you do need any other further questions or a guided demo specifically for your business, get in touch and we can get that organised. Thanks very much.